Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today is a video that takes you behind the scenes on a creative portrait session that I did with makeup artist Jolie, who was in front of the camera this time. And what we had was these two Neewer TL60 and TL90 RGB light wands and a white backdrop. And there's also the Neewer CB300, but I only had it on about 10% power. And that was just giving a little extra light to Jolie's face when we needed it. But essentially we were going through and we were just changing the colours on these light wands and playing around, experimenting. And I was using those to create my light source. So these were not standard headshots or portraits, but something very much creative. We then swapped out to the Lume Cube RGB mini light sticks, and we were doing the same thing, but these are tiny little things. So Jolie was just moving around. We brought in the Neewer TL90 again to give some extra light. So we actually had like a 3-color setup. So we had like blue, yellow, pink, as you can see in the images here. And it was creating some fabulous looks and almost like a cyberpunk type setup. All the lights were set to 100%, but we were just changing the different colors that you can get on them, and because they're all RGBs, you can put on any color that you want. As you can see, costume and makeup was really nothing, so Jolie just come in street clothes, so it was just a pair of baggy jeans and a tank top. It was quite warm, and just hair up in a bun and just some natural makeup. So we really wanted to just experiment and play with the lights. What we did then was we got a table out, and I got some white acrylic, so that gives me reflections. And I had the Neewer TL90 in the background, and we were changing the colours on that. And then I had the little Lume cubes just in front and to the side of Jolie, creating some gorgeous lighting effects there. We also changed them to just normal color. I think we had it set to something like 4600 kelvins or something like that, and I was doing some black and white ones too. So this is where I went and switched all the lights back from the RGB color spectrum to just having a plain light from, cool, warm, etc. Like I said, I think it was on 4600 Kelvin, maybe about 52, not sure. I then brought the light wand round to the front just to give a little bit more light onto Jolie's face, and we had the little Lume cubes on the side. So it really was just a morning spent experimenting and playing with lights and see how they react. I loved the colour versions that we got, but we also adored the black and white versions that we got. So we moved the table back out of the way and moved the camera around again. And this time we were still just with the light wands on standard lighting rather than coloured. We were just playing around with some different poses and experimenting with these, and I've got to say, absolutely loved these shots. Whether they were in black and white or colour, they were just stunning. Just experimenting with different looks and things. Now, we happened upon creating like these angel wings and things like that just came up in the shots, and some sort of dark and moody stuff. And so we were playing around with trying to capture more of these, and I did highlight them a little bit in post-production, but it was just really cool how they were giving like these angel wings on the backdrop behind Jolie. So that's it for this shoot. I hope you enjoyed a little behind the scenes on just a creative portrait play session. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.